everybody.
Hi!
Usually we're live this time on Saturday nights, but obviously we're still on the road.
Driving from Minneapolis over towards New York, the East Coast, where I live, right?
Yes.
To start this amazingly crazy, huge, wonderful adventure.
It's so exciting. We left yesterday, I don't even know what time, but it's like 18 hours worth of driving, and we're 1 hour and 8 minutes from home.
I see there's one person in here.
All right, hello.
Hi there.
Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for joining us. We are currently on Route 80. So we loaded up the Uhaul. I flew out there Wednesday night to Minneapolis, and we loaded it up. We're pulling Dustins Car and doing like this major, crazy, new, wonderful chapter.
Yes, yeah.
We're watching out for potholes too. Hey, we didn't tell them we got a flat tire. Oh my God, you guys. So we've got this truck. It's like 20 feet?
20-foot truck, and we're towing my SUV on the trailer back there. And so it's a 2-axle trailer, which is nice. But one of the tires had a slow leak. And thankfully, we just stopped to get gas and noticed that, so we weren't going to sit and wait around for a U-Haul to bring some representative to wherever the heck we were in the middle of nowhere. So we put some fixed flat in there, forgot it, and here we are. It's holding up, and just about an hour from home. So
yeah,
fantastic.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. So. Yeah, that's it, guys. We hope you're having a good weekend. We just wanted to say hi because we love seeing you and talking about, a billion bazillion things that we do talk about when we hang out, right, babe?
Absolutely, yes. This time we just don't have anything prepared, obviously. Sorry, we don't have a proper show for you tonight, but hopefully this is entertaining enough. This is real life right here.
It's real life. That's what we're about over here. So, anyway, we'll see you guys this week. We will definitely see you Saturday. We'll see you, Tuesday?
Tuesday, I have a video planned of Kaya and I. It's the last shipping video that we did in the original flip and shipping office, which we are going to be resetting.
Tongue twister.
Yeah, all right.
Big ship and flip.
Oh, said it backwards. Look at that. So, so we're going to be setting that up in a room. It's just going to be different this time, next time around. So
yeah. Well, I think the really cool thing as far as talking about how this has to do with sourcing and reselling and all that stuff is it's not very often that you get to see a seasoned seller rip all of their inventory that they've had for basically the last 8 years, even though you've really only been doing it probably for the last 3 years full time, right?
Yeah.
But you don't usually see a seasoned, reseller ripping their entire. It's reconnecting. It's going to do this a couple times.
Oh.
We might be going through a couple little bumpy spots like that, so we're going to lose you probably with the cell service. But anyway, we were just saying that. What were we saying? We were saying something good. Now we had a senior moment.
Okay, so we're going through the mountains here. So disconnected. We were talking about having starting over, basically.
Starting over.
With me, taking all my stuff and resetting it. Here comes. I need to move over here. We got some police people coming over here.
The police.
Then move over real quick.
I'm like, we're drifting. Don't run over any turtles. That's how we got somebody.
Oh, yeah,
says,
that'd be terrible.
Harry, thank you. Yes, no, that would be so bad. We always break for turtles, right, babe?
I have stopped and helped turtles across the street, yes. So yeah.
Me too, many times. And look out for the moose. You know what? That's really funny because we were just talking about going to Vermont, and I thought to myself, I wonder if there are any moose out here. But we're in Pennsylvania now, I think, where we are. But yeah. So anyway, thanks for spending some time with us. There's 3 other people in here. Thanks for spending some time with us today. Do you want to go over exactly what we're doing? I'll give you guys a quick synopsis. If you have not been following Dustin over at his channel, McFlippin'Ship, please. Our channel, excuse me. It's our channel, which is why you haven't seen me over here on Thrifty too much, because we've been collaborating a lot on our other channel. So please go check out and like and subscribe to McFlippin'Ship, because that's where you're gonna see us and our crazy fun things we do. Right?
Right, yes. We'll be focusing more on that channel. We're so close to having watch hours there, to 4,000. Please head over, hit play all, and just go to work or go to sleep or something.
Yeah, we got 1,000 subscribers this week on McFlippin'Ship, and we are so grateful.
So grateful. Thank you guys so much for all of the support and love and likes and shares and comments and everything that is helping us get there. So
and we've thank you so much. And we've just been working so hard, and we have ourselves on a schedule of when we were trying to get out our content, and we really love what we do, and we love to share things with you guys, and we really do. So we miss seeing you guys tonight, but for those of you who don't know what ended up happening here was Dustin and I met through Instagram, and I reached out to him to do an interview on a show that I was doing on my channel called what was it called? The Daily Dose. That's what it was. Yeah. And so then I decided I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to start interviewing people who had been selling longer than I had, because I hadn't been selling for very long. So I thought, why don't I start a little show on my YouTube page, because my background's TV and film and blah blah blah. So I thought he was hilarious. I saw a thumbnail of him, and I think he had it was the one where he was snow blowing his yard, and he had these big snowblower glasses on, and it said something like Minnesota or something funny, right? Something like that.
Greetings from Minnesota.
Greetings from Minnesota. And I just started laughing so hard, and I thought, oh my gosh, I wanted to have him as my first person to interview. So I interviewed him on my little channel, Thrifty, and that was it. And we
it was Attic Addicts at the time.
It was what? It was the Attic Addicts back then. Oh my God, it was. So we fell in love through Instagram, and actually ended up meeting in Chicago. Like, how long had we known each other? Like a month? No, 3 months, because of the show.
Yeah.
But it wasn't, we'd never met each other in person. And he flew me out to Chicago, and we met in Chicago for the first time in person after we've been talking for months on the phone. And we've been together ever since. We've been traveling back and forth for the last 6 months, and finally decided to move in together because our channel's been growing, and our hearts have been growing, and everything's just been growing. So it's been great, and so much happiness. So let me say hi to some people who are here. Wendy Allison. Hello, hopefully the tire holds out. Oh, Wendy. Oh, hi!
Oh,
Mama Bear. Oh my gosh. I hope that the tire holds up. We were
oh yes.
Yeah.
It's looking good. And we're almost there. So
yeah, we're almost home. We're about an hour from home, so we thought we would pop on and say hi. And just that we're almost there. We can't wait to get on a schedule of getting in, hanging out with you guys every weekend. But anyways,
yes.
Okay, guys, have a great weekend. My arm's getting a good workout.
thanks guys for once again for everything. We so appreciate it, and we're looking forward to seeing you next week and throughout the week.
Yeah. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye guys.
Adios. How do you do this? I never know how to get out of here though. You usually do that. Oh, okay.